Hey everybody, Photoman back with another video. This one, I kind of messed up a little bit. The Sandstone School video before should have included the 11th school, which is King George School. And that's what this video is for. The name King George School was given in honor of King George V, who became King of Great Britain in 1910. He and his queen, Victoria Mary of Teck, secured lasting popularity by their courage and devotion to the people of Great Britain during World War I. He renounced all German titles and changed the name of the royal house to Windsor. History tells us that King George V was devoted to his duties, conscientious, fair-minded, and strengthened Britain's links with its vast empire. The construction of King George School began in 1912, and the school was ready in June of 1913. The sandstone for the building was hauled by mule teams from various quarries around Calgary, Shaganapie, and Simons Valley.